Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about these two screwdrivers, the 8-in-1 and the 11-in-1. We're going to compare them and see which one is best for your budget, and we're going to talk the best features of which screwdriver is best fitted for you. So, stay tuned, and let's get into the video. Okay, first of all, the best comparison right now is the pricing. The 11-in-1, you could get it from Home Depot right now, and the price, I think, for the 11-in-1, this is the one with the Schrader core removal tool, and I think right now it's $16 at Home Depot, and in Amazon, when I bought this, I bought it for $25. Right now it costs like $69. So if you could get it from a HVAC supply store like Carrier, Goodman, or wherever, you could probably get this 8-in-1 around $25, maybe. I'm not sure about it, but 16 and 25 or 69 on Amazon. So yeah, that's one comparison between these two. The next biggest comparison that I found out between these two is durability. Both of them are really good. They handle everything that I throw at it. I even beat the heck out of these two screwdrivers with a hammer, and they're really durable. Nothing fell apart or anything. The 11-in-1 is the best recommended screwdriver for like beginners, for HVAC or electrician or anything, because these have so many tips that you really need as an electrician, HVAC guy, or whatever. For the 11-in-1, these are all the bits that it comes with. Phillips flathead, Schrader core removal tool, and I got no idea what this is. And two different type of square bits. I think that's a 2 and a 1. The shafts, this is a 1/4 inch. These two. And the bit holders are 5/16 and 3/8. Probably this screwdriver is good for like a budget, like starter for HVAC apprentices, or maybe pros if anyone uses this. Next, we're going to talk about the HVAC 8-in-1. The HVAC 8-in-1 has a magnetic tip right there, and plus, right now it's a 1/4 inch, and you just have to pull it up, screw this in, and it becomes a 5/16 screwdriver right now. So basically, this is what it comes with, the HVAC 8-in-1. It comes with a 3/8 nut driver. It comes with a Phillips and a flathead number 2. A Schrader core removal tool. And a little flathead for the thermostat. And over here, the shafts are like 1/4. So yeah, this tool is really amazing. Especially this. I love this. These two Kleintools are really good to have as an HVAC installer and a HVAC apprentice or maintenance guy. Both of these screwdrivers, I have no problem with them. I have both of them in my tool bag, and they're really good. I have no complaints against them. No complaints, nothing. The only complaint that I could find against these two screwdrivers is that probably the price. And that's it, pretty much. The durability is really good. Klein makes the best screwdrivers. I'm going to tell you that right now. I love Klein. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I love Klein. And there's not a lot to say about these two screwdrivers. It depends on who's buying the screwdrivers and how and what is your budget. That's all. And yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss a new video. And until next time, adios.